Dear Goenkans, this is in reference to the 7th chapter Understanding Fractions given on page number 95 of your math side book. The objective of this topic is to make you learn how to compare unlike fractions. Dear Goenkans, we have already studied how we can compare like fractions and unit fractions in our last video lecture. Now in this video lecture, we're going to learn how we can compare unlike fractions. We already know that fractions having different denominators are called as unlike fractions. To compare unlike fractions, we have two methods. Comparison by converting into like fractions, and second is comparison by cross multiplication. In this video lecture, we're going to learn how we can compare unlike fractions by converting them into like fractions. That is, we're going to learn the first method. To compare unlike fractions by converting them into like fractions, we change the fractions such that they have the same denominators. The resulting fractions are like fractions and then they are compared as like fractions are compared. Let's take an example and understand this method better. Compare 1 by 5 and 3 by 4. Now 1 by 5 and 3 by 4 are unlike fractions. Now in order to compare them, we'll convert them into like fractions. Now like fractions means they have the same denominator. In order to change their denominators, we'll find the LCM of 5 and 4. The LCM of 5 and 4 is 20, so we'll convert the denominators into 20. So 5 is converted into 20. So what should be multiplied to 5 so that their product is 20? Obviously 4. So 5, 4 are 20. If we are multiplying 4 to the denominator, we'll multiply 4 to the numerator as well. So 4, 1 are 4. So our equivalent fraction now is 4 by 20. Similarly, 4 is converted to 20. Now what should be multiplied to 4 so that the product is 20? Obviously 5. So 4, 5 are 20. If we are multiplying 5 to the denominator, we're going to multiply 5 to the numerator as well. So 3, 5 are 15. So now the equivalent fraction is 15 by 20. Now the two fractions are 4 by 20 and 15 by 20. Now these are like fractions because they have the same denominator 20. So how do we compare like fractions? We compare their numerators. We find that 15 is greater than 4. Therefore, the fraction 15 by 20 will be greater than 4 by 20. 15 by 20 is an equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 and 4 by 20 is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 5. So we can say that 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 5. So this is how we compare unlike fractions by converting them into like fractions and then comparing them. Now practice some of the questions yourself. Thank you.